we are live. Woohoo! And by the way, I have something special playing for you. So this is what I want to play for you. This is going to describe our relationship, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so are you hearing?
I still can't hear you, but I'm just waiting.
So you can't hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't listen to the song.
Okay, so I think my internet is a little messed up. This is the cons of working from home, right? Like our internet just goes haywire or but then I really wish this happens when can you hear now? Ananya, it's okay. It's okay.
I can
You
hear
can
you.
hear?
I can hear you. I can
Okay.
hear you.
ये तुम्हारी मेरी बातें हमेशा यूं ही चलती रही ये
So basically, that's how I wanted to introduce you because your and my conversation is always on, and no matter how long we don't talk with each other, we still are connected. So that's why I thought this song would be the most appropriate one to kickstart the show. But then, thanks to internet issue, it had some glitches.
Yeah, but I
it's
could hear
okay.
it. Finally, I could hear it.
Yeah.
It's really
So-
love you. Thank you for doing it.
Thank you for being my second guest. And I want to welcome all my lovely audience for being here today on my second episode of Fanfare with my lovely friend and also my ex-colleague, Michi Aji Ananya. Hi, Ananya. How
Hi,
are
you
you?
I'm good. Probably I can say that.
Yeah.
Or I can say
I
I'm
mean-
fine. I'll go with her.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good. Great actually, because I'm talking to you, of course. Coming to talking, you are an RJ and I was a former RJ. And there's a common notion about us that people have that RJ means people who just talk. Bak, 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 bak kar do, so you are an RJ. You're good for it. But we both know that that's not the fact. So I have something to prove
Yeah.
that just talking is not enough. You need to be really cool and really creative, really spontaneous to be an RJ. Okay, so I have a game. Okay, for
Yeah.
1 good minute, we're going to play
Okay.
this game and we're going to prove everybody that we rock. And we rock because it's just not talking. Okay, the game is called Question and Question. Ananya, are you there?
I'm there. I
Haha.
can hear you.
Okay, so I was saying the game is question and question. All right. So basically, I will talk in question. You will have to respond back in question. So this is like killer level of RJing. Okay. So shall we begin? I have timer also, by the way, set. So if you can see, okay, for 1
Yeah,
good
I
minute,
can see.
we will
It sounds
start.
good. Somebody's calling you.
I'm ignoring it. So let's start, okay? I'm starting it. For 1 good minute. We'll talk only in questions.
Okay. Only questions.
Okay. How are you doing?
My stomach is hurting. Should I have to go meet a doctor?
Maybe. I think it might be corona. Who knows? Go. I guess doctor can tell you.
Does my lipstick looking good on me?
Not really, but I think you would have chosen a better color, don't you think?
Basically, I have 23 lip colors. Should you think I should shop more?
I think you should. More the better. But then, again, it comes down to money. Don't you think you should not waste money?
Like we work for money rather than investing. If shopping is therapeutic, then don't you think I should shop more?
I think you should shop more, but again, I'm telling you, it's the month end. Don't you think you should be saving some until you get your next salary?
I think it's hardly 4 days more. and I think I can shop more. But I want a companion. Would you go to shopping with me?
Yeah, I want to. And we completed 1 good minute. Woo! So I think we are kick-ass. So we proved. We proved. It's just not about buck. We need to be spontaneous. We need to be creative. And
You should be
the
thinking always. That's
yeah,
there.
exactly. Like you need to be on your toes, just like how we were right now, right?
Exactly.
And talking about RJing and all of that, bro, like you have been working in Mirchi since last 3 years, and you have done multiple shows. Like you have been backup jock, outdoor jock, and you have been doing morning Mysore show, and now you have completed more than 1,500 episodes. Wow, I am so proud of you, girl. Congratulations!
Thank you.
So,
Thank you
I
so
know it
much. It
takes a
feels
lot.
good when you say that 1,500 shows.
Of course, it feels good and also sounds good to, say 1,500. My goodness.
Oh,
And
yeah.
honestly, bro, like, just now I was telling that everybody thinks it's just about talking. And also people, so many people that I've met, no, even for that matter, my relatives and all of those people, they're like, it's so cool, you're an RJ because, you get to meet all the sandalwood stars, talk to them, have fun, and that's it. And I'm like, what? No, that's not my job. It takes a lot more to be an RJ. And today, I want to ask the youngest Kannada radio jockey of Karnataka, please tell us what it takes to be an RJ. I know myself, but audience has to hear from our special guest, right? So yeah,
Okay. To be
your
an
stock.
RJ, people think just talking is enough as speech board. I can say
Hmm.
spontaneity matters more, but also knowing aware of like a lot of things, like every other goddamn thing happening in your state, in your city, in your region, everywhere. Like what's happening, what's not happening, you should be aware of it. And you should have a good hold of language which you're talking in. That matters the
Hmm.
most. And
Correct.
also, whenever you start talking,
Hmm.
when you know that there is like hundred or
Ananya, I'm
thousands of
sorry I
people who are
lost
listening
you.
to
Can
you,
you
there's a lot of
reconnect?
responsibility. So being
Can you
responsible.
reconnect? Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's been raining down in Bangalore. I'm sure you can also understand the problems of being
Can you hear me now?
at home. Yeah, we can hear you. We can see you also. Fantastic. Sorry to interrupt, but yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. So basically, ಇವಾಗ ನೀನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ there are thousands of people hearing ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you'll obviously be conscious, ಅಲ್ಲ? You'll have to be
Very true.
responsible because
Yeah.
whatever the opinion you're putting out there are so many people who can judge, it can change their lives, it can change the way they are thinking. ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it's the most responsible job is what I feel.
I think so too, yeah. A lot of responsibility. It's just not about fun and meeting people, of course. Mm.
So yeah, being
So,
responsible, being spontaneous, yeah, a lot of things.
lot of things. And what is that one thing that made you choose this profession? What was that one thing that excited you being a jock?
Okay, like before joining Mirchi, I just joined Mirchi because the office was looking super good. I just wanted to see Mirchi's office. That's all I had in my mind. I had to be there.
Wow. Wow.
I just saw the
Okay.
campus, no, I wanted to be there. That was my only intention. But yeah, after becoming a job, a lot of things like helping out a lot of people, inspiring a lot of young girls, like making
Yeah.
radio shows for myself, especially a morning show.
Correct. Oh God. Ananya is getting stuck. I'm so sorry, guys.
Right?
Yeah, I can see you, but you got stuck, yeah, babe.
Now you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you totally.
Okay. So basically, over the period of time, it's
Mm-hmm.
like there are so many young girls who are getting married by the age of 14.
Hmm.
There are schools, there are colleges with lack of washrooms. There are
That's true.
parents who are not able to understand what their kid is going through.
Yeah.
And there are kids who are suffering to understand what their parents are going through.
Correct.
So
Correct.
bringing everyone on a common platform and explaining and talking about every other goddamn detailed issue is that sort of satisfaction. So basically, what used to happen was,
Mm-hmm.
my parents are working parents. Right now, they both are working, and I'm a single child.
Mm-hmm.
I spend
Mm-hmm.
most of my time at home being alone, or I would be with friends. And
Mm-hmm.
at that point of time, I'd be like, I have so much to talk, but there's nobody to listen to. There'll be that feeling.
Right.
You want to talk, but they're
Mm-hmm.
so busy. But once when I grew up, there are a lot of people who are ready to listen to me and who are also paying for me to talk.
Yeah,
If I
and
doubt
that's
it,
how
if
the
somebody's paying me, then I think it's okay. I do it.
yeah. So basically, that's how the feel good factor of being an RJ is. You feel like you're important, right? And at the
Yeah,
same time, you know that you have to be responsible. It's just and of course, a lot of creative thinking goes into being an RJ because you just can't talk anything. You need to be spontaneous, you need to be quick, you need to know everything that's happening. So I think being an RJ in itself is a wholesome
that
task. Like people have misconstrued it as just being talkative. So I think today we have hence proved, like, in maths, we used to have these theorems, hence proved, right? That, two RJs sitting
yeah,
together
yeah.
here have told what it takes to be an RJ, and it takes a lot. It takes a lot. And I'm so proud that, I got the opportunity through an open audition, and so did you. So cheers to
Yeah.
both of us for being RJs.
Actually, yeah. I was hired from Bangalore, and after
I
my
know.
auditions, after thousands of people get their auditions, they too got selected. So because
Yeah,
we were picked among like the best of the lot.
yeah, yeah. True. Such a feel good factor, no?
Yeah, that feeling is always good, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like to be selected among thousands of people, and which is an open audition.
Sorry, I
And
think I missed you.
I said, the feel good factor of knowing that you are best in a particular skill and being chosen for it, it makes you feel validated and important enough. And again, responsible. I think the responsible word is one such word that I think will stick to me forever. This was my first job as a jock. So that is what was thought. You were also a part of helping me learn so many things when I was in Mirchi, when I was new. So thank you so much for that.
Yes, I think.
Yeah, 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 of course. I know that,
Thank you.
Ananya, I know that, you have to wake up every day morning like 5:30 because you have to be in the studio at 6:30. You're supposed to start your show at 7 in the morning. You wake up at 4. Oh my God. Okay. Poor you. But then I know it's all worth it. But I'm
Yeah,
sure it's like a lot of challenges, like, being there, irrespective of whether it's raining, whether it's cold, whether you're sleepy, you need to be there and go be this amazing, happy, positive person for the people of Mysore in the morning. What is the one thing that drives you to do so much? I know there's so much obstacles on the way, but what inspires you to be there every single day?
sorry.
I asked, what inspires you to be there
Okay.
every single
Yeah,
day?
yeah, I can hear you. So basically, Tejo, as you told, every morning being there, like getting up at 4, like when every other person is sleeping,
Hmm.
walking down to earth was one tremendous journey. Okay, basically, what used to happen is,
Hmm.
I'm a party person, you know it
Yeah.
better than,
Yeah.
yeah. So, like, I party all night, but still, morning
Hmm.
7 to 11, I have to stay awake, I have to do my show. That is
Correct.
how it is.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can't
Yeah.
let go of my social life, I can't let go of my party life because all my friends are awake only post 11. So I had to talk to them before I go to bed.
Right. Right.
Basically, I am single because I couldn't talk to people at night. They say to talk to people at night, to fall in love, and all those things that
Yeah.
never happened. I used to sleep well by 12. So, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
every day morning getting up, I had kept myself certain motivations. Like, for example, I used to watch sunrise,
Mm-hmm.
I used to watch moon every day. Those clouds were so beautiful, peaceful.
Ananya, sorry to interrupt. You are stuck again.
Okay, now can you?
Mm-mm. I think you'll have to reconnect. The problems of, as I
Sorry.
said, having bad internet connection. You should get a better internet connection, Ananya. Seriously, I've been telling you. This is like I'm tired of telling this girl. But anyway, moving
The
on.
other person is telling me that to get a better internet connection and I should do it. But the thing is, basically there is a lot of digging which is happening in front of my face. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
No,
even if
no.
I get a good internet connection, I'm not sure it's gonna work. So I'm going to give it
Okay.
some time. But
All
I'm
right.
really sorry for all the trouble. As
That's
I was
okay.
telling Teju,
Mm-hmm.
early morning that sunrise gets me out of my bed. That moon
Wow.
gets me out of my
Mm-hmm.
bed. And there used to be days where empty road. Imagine an empty road.
Mm-hmm.
Both the ways there are trees,
Mm-hmm.
which are beauties, and there's a sun who has like sunless above all of these trees, and all you can
Mm.
see is this golden rays.
Wow,
It looks
that's
like a red
beautiful.
carpet, but it is a golden carpet. You
Yeah,
get to
yeah.
enjoy all those bits every day.
Right,
Right now,
right.
through work from home, I'm missing them, but I can
Mm-hmm.
definitely say those were the things. And in the morning, I go and talk on air, right? There are people who also tune in
Mm.
and listen to me. And whenever I
Correct.
meet them, they say just because madam ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು
Mm.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ
Mm.
ನಂಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೈಬ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Mm-hmm.
Get me going.
Correct,
How it
correct.
is.
That's lovely. We spoke so much about the life of an RJ and what it takes to be one and all of that. Now, why don't we give a live sneak peek into what it actually looks like to do the talking like RJs? What do you say? Let's do dual jock.
Yeah, we can definitely give it a shot.
Okay, so let's imagine ourselves to be in Mirchi studio right now, okay? So
Okay.
it's okay, you want to do Mysore morning show or the afternoons with Teju show? Tell me, tell me,
And
tell
go
me.
with afternoons with Teju show because it's been a really long time.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin. Hey peeps, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ 98.3 ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಜೆ ತೇಜು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಅಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೆಲ್ಸನೂ ಮುಗೀತು, ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಮ್ಮ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲಗಿ ಎದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಮ್ ಕೆಲ್ಸಾನೇ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂಚೂರು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಬೈ ದ ವೇ, ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಆ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ತೇಜು, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶೋ?
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಶೋ ಸಗದಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮನೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ವೇಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನಾನ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಅನನ್ಯ, ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ? ಏನ್ ತಿಂದೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ? ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಊಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಬಿಜಾರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಪಾಪಡ್ ಇಂದ ಲಸಾನ್ಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಂತೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಾಲಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಹಾ, ಹೇಳು.
ಸುಮಾರು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ತೇಜು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಊಟದ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ವೆಜ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ವೆಜ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪುಲಾವ್ ಅದು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಡಿಬೇಟ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವೀಕ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಏರ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ವೆಜ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿನ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪುಲಾವ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಪಲಾವ್ ಕತೆ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೇನೋ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲಿ ಲಸಾನ್ಯಾ ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ನಾನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಲಾವ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೋ, ಬಟ್ ಇವರು ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಡಿಶಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರ ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ನೀನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Like there's this one weird food ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, pineapple pizza. Oh, I just can't take it. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋನಟ್ಸ್, ವಡೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬೆಟರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಡೋನಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬೆಟರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋನಟ್ಸ್.
ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್,
ಲೈಕ್ ವೈ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೈ?
ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಲಿಸ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ವಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ DM ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ J@ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್. ಸೊ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಅನನ್ಯ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತನಕ ಕೀಪ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ listening to amazing songs on Mirchi 98.3. Sakat Hot Man. Yay! We cracked it after so long.
I know. I felt like you were always there. It was not like missing you.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಇವಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ನಾವು ನಮಗ್ ಬರೀ ನೀನು ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನಾನು ರೇಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Now can you hear me?
ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾವು ರೀಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಫೀಲೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಸಾರಿ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಟಡಾ!
How to use this file? I'm just so bad. Like, ನೀನು stuck ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ time ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ.
No, I was like, anyway, we are talking about what it takes to be, like how it goes behind to be an RJ. So might as well not show her face for a while. So it was fun doing it.
Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Remember the Ganda Parada?
Oh, let's leave it. So, guys, we're sorry. It's just that we go way back to Mirchi, and we have our Mirchi food stories that is coming up now. But it's time, Ananya, for you to set the stage on fire. And this is a segment where you will have to show your RJing skills. Okay. And basically, what it is that you'll have to talk for 1 continuous minute. Okay. And there is a small twist to it. The twist is that I will say, I love you. Okay. When I say that, whatever you're talking, you should talk in an angry tone. But if I say, I hate you, whatever you're talking, you should say in, this loving, endearing tone. So this segment name is called, this game name is called, I love you like I hate you. Okay. Are you ready to play this game on?
I think I am ready.
Okay, so here we go again for 1 good minute, Ananya. Timer set ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು. Timer. Everybody see?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Start talking.
So Teju, ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿದೆ ಇದಿದೆ ಹಾಗಿದೆ ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಬಾ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. But I tell you, wait, South Bengal has each and every other thing except ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
I hate you.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. So why don't you just come over and why don't we just party and ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. Why don't you just come?
I love you.
Teju, ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ. Your birthday is coming up and you say that you haven't partied in your entire life, and how do you think I should feel about it?
I love you.
So you should do a lot more things than you are doing right now. You should take out your trips. You should go. You should like what? ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿನ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಪೂರ
I hate you.
ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸಲ ನಿಮ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೋದ್ ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
I really wish I could listen, but you went on for good 1 minute 10 seconds, bro. Crazy. See, RJing skills on top-notch level. Thank you so much for being such a sport, yeah, Ananya. Now that you have, cracked it fantastically, like, I want to give you something like how they do in all chat shows, but I don't really have a hamper to give you. But I have something. Huh? What?
You can share me some of your coupon codes or some interesting gossips. I think I'll find it.
No. I have something else very special, okay? I'm sure this will bring a smile on your face. So just get ready to see that and tell me. Okay?
Okay.
Can you see?
Oh, damn. I can see that picture, yeah.
So I really want to know what exactly were you thinking?
Okay. So let me tell you what happened.
Yeah,
You know Smita, right? Smita,
yeah.
ನಾನು 3 ಜನ ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Smita wanted to shop some big plants.
Okay.
So we went there, we shopped some big plants. But ಹೇಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Mm-hmm.
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಧ ದಾರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Mm-hmm.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಾರವಾಗಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಪಾಟ್ಗಳಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಖಾಲಿ ಪಾಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಶೇಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಬಿಸ್ಲು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೊಂದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ನಂಗೆಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬೇಕು.
Just again establishing the picture.
Yeah. ಒಂದು ತೆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡೇ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, but honestly, audience, whoever is watching us right now, I would like to ask you people, what do you think? She was actually possibly could have been thinking at that moment in public, holding like this. You can actually share your thoughts, guys. If you're using a phone, on your top, there will be a navigation bar where there will be something called as chat. You can go there and type in your answer. Or else if you guys are using a laptop, there is on your right side scroll bar an option called chat. There you can type in your answer. And also, by the way, I have put up a poll. So right below chat, guys, if you're using laptop, again, it's on the right hand side below the chat. Click on that. You will see that I have put a poll which says that doesn't she resemble the Statue of Liberty?
Just why?
And we have the audience poll here. Did you see, Ananya? They're saying,
Yeah, I can't see. I just saw.
yeah, kind of. I like my audience. And there are people sending in answers also. They're saying very lovable statue. So sweet. So I have a task for you now. I want you to recreate the same thing, okay? Same pose. Okay, wait. That's not it. Along with that, you should imagine in your hand, it's not the pot. It's your award for being the best RJ of 2021. And you have to give your winning speech. Go, girl, go. Come on the stage. Yes. The stage is yours. Come on.
Thank you so much. Like, ಈ
Yeah.
award ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋರ್ಗೆ and ಈ award ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಎಲ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. And I want to dedicate this award to my fans, my family and my friends, and I'm really happy for this award.
Oh my god. I can't.
Okay. I'm done.
That was really good one. Good one. So I'm sure you would have actually at some point in your head thought of it, no?
No, I overthink a lot of other scenarios rather than winning an award. I don't know why.
Why, bro? Why? You should think of something like this. And also, guys, now we are taking a short photo break. So whoever wants to take a photo with our lovely guest can please come onto the stage. How to come onto the stage? If you're using your laptop, no guys, there is an option on your right side called Get on Stage. If you click that, I can give you the access, or Ananya can give you the access, and you can come on the stage, virtual stage basically, and take a picture. Or else if you're using your phone, then on the top of your screen, okay, you will see the same option, Get on Stage. All you have to do is one click, okay? Whoever wants a photo, please come onto the stage, okay?
Can they
Let's.
with the host?
Yeah. I'll also be there. Yeah, I'll not go. What do you think? I am photobombing or what? No. I will be there. Okay.
Thank you.
And by the time people come on, let's see. We have one more segment. Audience, you can click on for the request. We will grant you the access while we are talking and playing games. Okay, you don't have to hesitate, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just come and pose with our beautiful lady here, right? Okay, so Ananya, next segment we have, it's called Ink the Link. So this is the game where I will show you, I will actually tell you certain descriptions, and based on the description, you'll have to guess what I'm talking about. So the segment, I mean, the game name is called Ink the no, the game name is called Guess What, and we are in the segment called Ink the Link. Okay, ready? So
Yeah.
the first word that I have, and you have to guess is okay. Every day morning you go here and you start talking. What is it?
Studio.
Okay. Okay, so when you go there, you do something in front of the mic. What is that?
Talking. Console. Turning on mics.
No. Whatever goes into the system, what is it called? The process.
Radio joking.
No. Whatever you are holding the mic and whatever is getting onto the system, what is it
Talking.
called? No, come on. Try something else.
No, I'm not getting what you're asking.
Okay, it's not happening. So it is recording studio. So
I told studio, bro. I told studio. You can't give me a point.
I'm sorry, not my fault. You go there, you record. What do you do when you go there? If I ask, you are like, I'm talking. I know. I said when it gets on.
You go record there, okay? You have to
Okay.
record. What do I say more?
Okay. Next one. Okay. On social media, every time anybody is taking a photo, they put this so often to look nice, to make it correct. Yay! Correct. Woohoo!
Okay.
One right.
Two right. Come on, you have to give me the other one.
I'm not giving you that. And the next one is there was a segment. Okay, once again. There was a segment in your show which was very popular because you were good at it. Whatever you say, you can't understand. You have to figure out the meaning. What is it called?
Riddles. Cinema. Cinepata. Riddles. Okay, two.
Similar to what you said first. It's also called something else.
Cinepata, bro.
It's very difficult to say.
Tongue twister.
Correct! Woohoo! Yay!
Yeah, I actually forgot what that. Please start it again.
Okay, suddenly when we are in studio, these people come and everybody gets excited. They come.
Celebrities.
And... Correct!
Yeah.
Okay, these days, everybody is doing this for 30 seconds and 50 seconds ever since the
Reels.
ban of TikTok. Correct. Oh my god, you're too good.
I know.
So-
Thank you.
So now that you have just not answered 1 out of the 5 questions,
I answered that one, but I was cheating with it.
I am not cheating at all, okay? So,
Yeah.
Ananya, I have something to say. You can give me a tongue twister.
Okay.
And because, basically you won the game.
Yeah.
And I can, try doing the tongue twister 3 times.
You're doing it right.
Yeah, I'm doing it. You can.
ಅರಳಿ ಮರದಡಿ ತಳಿರೊಡೆದೆರಡೆಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅರಳಿ ಮರದಡಿ ತಲೆ ಎರಡು
ಅರಳಿ ಮರದಡಿ ತಳಿರೊಡೆದು ಎರಡೆಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅರಳಿ ಮರದಡಿ ತಳಿರೊಡೆದೆರಡೆಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
Wow, I got it. I got it. Wow, I was too good. I'm sorry. Already mara thode tale. Why?
Yeah.
I feel like I just did my own beizati. Thanks, bro. Thanks. I thought you were my friend. I was just giving you a scope to, show off your tongue twister qualities.
Yeah, that was the
But,
easiest one, bro. That was the easiest one. I didn't give you any Hale Kannada.
yeah, enough. But anyways, I have finally one fun game for you. Okay, you tell me, do you like Hindi movies more or Kannada movies?
I love movies and Kannada, obviously, yeah. It's my, what do you call
Yeah,
something
forte.
else to me. Kannada means a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so it's called literally whistleblower. So do
Okay.
you know how to whistle, by the way?
Basically, my mom does whistle amazingly well. Entire city can hear,
That's
but I
not
can't.
really called whistling. So never mind. Okay, it's fine. You can actually scream.
Clap.
Okay, thank you. So
If I start screaming, other people will get scared, so I just clap.
okay.
Yeah.
The game is that literally whistleblower. I have translated Kannada song lyrics literally into English,
Okay.
and you have to guess which Kannada song it is.
Okay, done.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You
Let's do
have good 30 seconds for each of it, okay? I have timer
Okay.
with me.
Then I'll take 10 seconds for each.
Okay, let's see if that's what it is going to be now. Ananya, are you ready?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Summer horse ran from heart. From her memories, river is created.
Come on, repeat it.
Summer horse ran from heart.
ಬಿಸಿಲು ಕುದುರೆಯೊಂದು ಎದೆಯಿಂದ ಓಡಿದಂತೆ.
Oh my God,
Boogie.
you are really, really good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, you finished it. Another one. Journey has started asking for love gift. Again and again, heart has bored, and little finger has wished for more love freedom.
ಬೆರಳು ನಿನ್ನ. Can you just start the? Can you repeat the first one, please?
Journey has started asking for love gift. Again and
Payana
again,
Saju.
heart. You're getting right. Oh, time up! Time
Yeah, what was it?
up! ಮರಳಿ ಮನಸಾಗಿದೆ ಸಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ.
It was not literally translated, bro.
But that's not the starting line. No, I have translated ಪಯಣ ನಿನ್ನ
ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇದೆ from there.
ಕೋರಿದೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣ್ಕೆ. Right, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is very popular. Next
Okay.
one. Your time starts now. Simple and straight boy. Seeing you, he got bent. First time.
ಬೆಸಾದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೈದ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಂಡುವಾದ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿ ಕಣ್ಣ
I
ಹೊಡೆದ.
want to whistle, but I don't know how to whistle too.
Okay, let's go for the next one. I love this
Okay.
game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is are you ready? The time starts now. Heart condition. Heart only see. To come close, give permission.
ಹೃದಯದ ಪಾಡು ಹೃದಯವೇ ನೋಡು ಸನಿಹಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲು ಅನುಮತಿ ನೀಡು. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. You're too good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Last one in the Kannada movie segment. Okay.
Okay.
I'm starting. The timer has begun. You came in front from somewhere. Standing in front, you spread smiles to my heart. You got.
ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ
Oh my
ನನ್ನೆದೆಗೆ
God!
ನಗೆಯ ಬೀರುತ್ತಲಿಂದೆ ಕಣ್ಣೆ ನೀ ಮಾಯಾಲೋಕವೇ ನಾನು ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ
Matali. Okay. Wow. Because you were so good, I want to give you a bonus question. Okay.
Okay.
This is going to be Hindi though.
Okay, let me try it.
Okay, let's see if you get it. This, I mean, come on, this is like so popular. Drip, drip, fell the water and it kindled fire.
Tippa tippa barsa pani.
Wow! You are
Thank
good.
you.
You are killing this.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Because you were so good, I have something to offer you, and that
Okay.
offer is that uh, take a selfie of yourself. No, take a screenshot of us. Okay, and say how happy you are talking and playing and winning games with me, and post it on Instagram and FB. Go on. Okay,
Right now,
actually, I will do it. I will do it.
yeah,
I will
you
do
are
it,
too much
and
scared of me taking
yeah,
my
moving the
phone and
phone.
network issues. Yeah,
Okay,
but I
smile.
think I'll just take it.
No, no, no. I will do. I'll do. I'll do. I'll do.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to say fanfare with Teju was so much fun, and I'm enjoying because I'm winning all the games. Okay.
Yeah, obviously I'll be sharing it in some time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, girl, we have come to the end of our amazing show. How did you feel being here, talking about your RJing life? We played some fun games, and man, you're so good with the games, I must say, huh? So, what do you want to
Yeah.
say? Final words to your fans and
Final
me before
words.
you leave.
Like seriously, Paige.
Like, I'm leaving the stage, yeah. Stage, okay.
Okay. So it was amazing being here with Teju. Usually people see my over mature, like super serious girl wala face everywhere. This
Right,
bubbly
yeah.
shade is like totally off air, where I just keep ranting about every other thing I'll be playing with every other person in the office. So Teju helped
Yeah.
me get that out. And also it was really amazing talking to Teju. I'm here just because of Teju, I can say that. So when
Oh,
Teju
so
approached me, I'm like,
sweet.
bro, I'm doing something new. Do you want to be there? I'm like, hey, anytime for you, bro. And that's how we started. And yeah, in return to this, Teju was taking me out for a party. So thank you, girl, on that.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm making her party reservations from now on. Anyway, it was
Yeah, she's
actually
teaching
super
me.
fun. I love you
I'm glad.
always. Your smile is
Oh,
beautiful and keep
thank
rocking.
you.
Keep doing amazing things.
Thank you. Likewise, thank you so much for being on the show and spreading so much, smiles to all the people, all the padde huduguru. Full fida ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್
I
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
do. I
Hearts
do.
ನೋಡು, hearts.
Wow.
So,
Yeah.
really, thank you so much for being on my show as second guest, and it was fantastic talking to you and sharing to your fans how your journey has been and how wonderful it has been with a lot of laughter, fun, and hope to see you soon outside. Okay, let's catch up there. And for
Yeah,
now,
definitely. And I would like to thank Eventscape also for this wonderful platform.
oh,
Thank
that's
you.
thank you. And before we leave, Ananya,
Yeah.
we can take a there's an option on your left hand side. There is a option called photo booth. If you see,
I can see polls, get on stage, set up, chat,
where do you see the live screen? Down you
down.
see.
Yeah.
Ha ha ha. So
Gallery
there
view, speaker view.
okay, anyway, I will do it for you. There is an option called photo booth. Okay, I'm capturing our photo, so just get
Okay.
ready for it. Smile.
Wait, Madam G.
Okay, I'll take one more.
Yeah, I should look some, what do you call it? Manageable, right? When I'm
Yeah.
matching you. Yep.
Okay, I'll take again.
Yeah, better. Wait a second,
Okay.
I'll take one with you.
Okay, smile. Yeah, it's done. So I will share the photo with you, and it was pleasure having you. I'm so grateful you were here to be a part of my show and spreading so much love and happiness to all your fans. Bye bye. See you outside.
Likewise, it was amazing talking to you. See ya, bye.
Bye bye.